What's up YouTube? It's your girl Maya the Stylist and I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing wig review. It's a headband wig. Human hair, 16-inch and curly. Guess what? The best thing, it only cost me $37. So let's get to it. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and drop some comments down below if you have any questions. Alright, so of course, I'm an Amazon addict. I opened it, but then I did not look at it. I was like, wait a minute, let me do a wig video. So I didn't even get to look at it, you guys. So let me dig on in. Okay, 16-inch. Cute little pink. I love pink. Made in China. Water wave. That's the curl pattern I had decided to get. I always had water wave bundles, so I like, let me try the wig. Let's take it out the pack, you guys. Okay, it does give you 2 headbands. 9 out of 10, I get a lot of mine out of Dollar Tree, but these are cute also. Cute flower printed summer vibes / spring vibes. I'm gonna just open it up just to show you guys how big it might be. That's how it goes, you guys. Very stretchy, so it's big. My head is huge, so. It smells good. It smells like brand new. No crazy scent to it. Now for the wig, $37, you guys. 37. Oh, okay. If I can get it open, you guys. Oh, wait a minute. There we go. There we go. Oh, beautiful, you guys. Beautiful. Look at this, you guys. Do you see that shine? Let me take the net off. It does come with a net. No crazy smell. I don't smell anything. Wow, beautiful. Get this off me. Okay. 16-inch, you guys. 16-inch. Beautiful. Take this out. I'm gonna show you guys how it look like inside. So this the band right here. Velcro. It's just like if you had a lace or a lace wig and you wanna hold down your edges, you'll put that Velcro elastic band. This is the same thing to it. Snap. It's all to it. This is how the inside look like, you guys. It's very, very wide. So this can fit around your whole head and you can make it snug as possible. So you can make it real tight, snap it all the way. To make it real tight, you use this part to snap it all the way over here. So a little bit will hang it off, but you want to have it real snug. How many clips this give you inside? It have 1, 2, 3 up top. That's the area right here. And you would have 1 at the bottom. That go with your nape at. This is how I look inside. Neatly constructed. Very neat. Smell good, you guys. If you don't like the colorful headband they give you, you can wear the black one. Look just as nice. I love how they constructed in the front, so your hair can lay back easily. I'm gonna just comb it through a little bit. If you don't want to comb yours through, you don't have to. You can put mousse and water on it to define the curls back. I just want to show you how bouncy it is. I don't have to take out the measure tape. This is 16 inches. Not too short, not too long. It is very full, you guys. wide 16-inch. This color is natural black, 37 bucks. It came in one day. I got Amazon Prime, so it came in one day. Human hair, you're able to bleach it, dye it, straighten it, curl it back up, however you like it. I'm gonna keep it in its natural state, its natural color. Some days I'm gonna wear it with the mousse and water. Some days I'm gonna wear it poofy like this. If you would like me to try this wig on, I will do it in my next video. So I would take this wig off. I have cornrows already underneath this wig, and I will show you guys how to put this on. So yeah, if you like this video, please let me know. I'm gonna leave the link down below for this wig. Yes, this headband wig, my first time trying it, so hopefully it's easy to put on, you know. So I never tried it. I really haven't even seen anyone with headband wigs before, only online like Instagram, Facebook. So yeah, if you would like this, you like this video, please leave a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe, and check out my next video, you guys. Peace.